Okay, Ashley. Ready? Bring your legs back just a little bit. There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice. One more. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. When you're doing this, let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Do that. Keep doing that. 1. Keep doing it. Go ahead. Just keep doing it. Turn your face towards that light a little bit. Yeah. All right. Go. Hopefully I don't bust my ass for just coming up there just to show you this.
I'll meet you halfway.
No, don't. I don't want you to break your ankle.
Oh yes, oh my God. That's so awesome.
Turn your body a little bit more towards me. Bring your legs back a little bit. A little bit more. There we go, perfect. Now, the elbow, bring it back. Bring it back more. Yeah. Actually, use the hold the arm thing. Yeah, just bend your elbow, just, yeah. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful, hold that. Lovely. Awesome. Now bring your other hand down, bring it down. Hide it behind you. Yeah. 1, 2. Bring the hand behind you, bring it forward a little bit. Yeah, right there. 1, 2. Oops. Turn it that way, so look through the viewfinder. Okay. You ready? You cold? Stand up over there. Over there. Huh? What? Yeah.
Oh, those are hot, dude.
We're not using heels here? Okay.
Oh my God, those are really cool.
You can't hear the shutter, but change up like every 2 seconds.
Every 2 seconds, change up.
Don't turn away from the light. The light is your friend. All right, there we go.
Like a damn trophy.
Oh.
You're not getting my shadow, are you?
Nope. Turn your face to, yep, there we go. Wonderful. Turn your face towards the light. Nice. Hold that, don't move. Actually, do that one, but with your, yeah, just like that, but with your hands, like if you're, but just bend your elbows. There you go. Now, with your knee, give me more shit. Yeah, there we go. Chin down just a little bit. Wonderful. That's the ticket right there. Ooh, that looks, nope, turn the other way. No, actually I like the whole, yeah, hold that, hang on. Let me just change something here. Ooh, now I just have to get myself right. Now Dwayne is blocking all the light. Why? Hang on. All right, yeah, this is it. This is the ticket right here. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh man, these are fire. Yeah.
Get her and then you can come back.
Oh, is she done? Oh. Be right back. Don't you move from. Hang on. This is the time when we needed Bryce in the company. All right. Turn to face the light. 1 second. All right. Wonderful. Beautiful. Bend those elbows just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Damn friggin' rocks. Hang on, let me just get Ashley really quick. Hang on, because the sun is going. I want to make sure. Ashley, come on this side. On this side of the rock. Yeah. Just lean against it. Yeah. Hold that. Yeah, hold that. Right there. Chin up. Wonderful. Wonderful. Awesome. I don't know.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that. I think we got. Come on now, Ashley. Let's review. Actually, I don't know how this will look without the sun, but go over there, Shannon. Huh? Ready? Go. One more. 1, 2, 3. All right. I'm thinking. Put your back towards that rock. Like if you like, you know, and then bring that leg. There we go. Chin up. Wonderful. You hit, yeah. Actually, let me see. Maybe, yeah, go back. Yeah. Hang on. Hurry up.
They're tangled.
Like if you're looking up into the light, but close your eyes, like if you're taking in the warmth. There you go. Hang on, all that. 1, 2, 3.